Hello my friends, I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is silence after the storm. Have you ever noticed after the storm, silence, a deeper silence, surge back to the environment. In that deeper silence, flower blooms. Your heart starts dancing. The infinite possibilities of life wink to you. A deeper peacefulness, serenity surge to your inner being. In that state of existence, in that state of your mind, there is infinite possibilities of life. You can contact the field of transcendental consciousness, the field of infinite possibilities. You don't need to do anything. You just wait for that state of peacefulness, serenity. You can create that state from your inside, and you can easily contact the field of infinite possibilities, and everything is there for you. Everything already ready for your future, for your present. From that infinite fertile ground of possibilities, you can get anything, and your life will be fantabulous. Fantastic. You don't need to look back again. For our forthcoming webinars, seminars and workshops, please stay tuned with us. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get all my videos. Namaste.